Welcome to our tutorial on managing school-based users, designed for principals and school staff with delegated admin access. Principals automatically gain portal access through single sign-on, allowing them to manage and delegate admin privileges to their staff, all of whom appear in the user management section of the portal. Principals and their delegated admin can access the user management page by clicking the profile icon in the upper right-hand corner, then clicking User Management. Reviewing access levels. The school admin, usually the principal, has full access to all portal features, including modifying settings, creating supports, and managing user access. The delegated admin, often an assistant principal, has the same privileges. Only these two roles can update access levels. The school-wide editor can view and plan for students to be on track with necessary courses and requirements needed for graduation, while the school-wide viewer can only view students without making changes. The caseload editor can access and plan for their assigned students, whereas the caseload viewer can only view their assigned students without making changes. Staff listed as no access cannot currently log into the portal. Keep in mind that no users within the portal can adjust student attendance or academic data in the SIS for the school. Edit user. We can edit one user by clicking the three dots next to the name, or we can select batch actions and select multiple users at a time to grant a certain access level. Then we'll toggle back to the right and select the appropriate access level and hit confirm. Adding a user. To add a user, we'll click Add a User on the right-hand side and enter the necessary information. Granting portal access to school staff allows your school staff to monitor and manage student academics, attendance, and more. For questions or help, use the Calendly link in the video's description. Stay connected by following us on social media for exclusive content, the latest news, and updates on student success. Thank you for watching this tutorial on managing school-based users in the portal by New Visions.